Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need heavy cream, whole milk, and sugar, plus any flavorings you desire. It's crucial to ensure your ice cream maker's bowl is thoroughly frozen, ideally for a full 24 hours, to achieve the best results. Having your flavorings ready, like a good vanilla extract or fresh fruit puree, will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create our delicious ice cream base. In a bowl, whisk together the heavy cream, whole milk, and sugar until the sugar is completely dissolved. If you find the sugar isn't dissolving easily, you can gently warm the mixture, but be careful not to boil it. Once combined, stir in your chosen flavorings, perhaps 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Then, chill this base in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. This step is key for a smooth texture. With your base perfectly chilled, it's time for the exciting part: churning. Carefully pour the cold ice cream base into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl. Let your machine do its magic, churning the mixture for about 20 to 30 minutes, or as recommended by your specific model. You'll notice the ice cream will have a delightful soft serve consistency right after churning. Remember, avoid over-churning to prevent a less desirable grainy texture. Almost there. Once churned, transfer your soft ice cream into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches your preferred firmness. This allows the ice cream to harden properly. For the best serving experience, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften just slightly before scooping. Now, you're ready to enjoy your incredible homemade ice cream, perhaps with some of your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.